In today's video, I'm going to share exactly how you can make money on YouTube without having to create videos yourself, without being on camera, without having to speak if you don't want to. Now, this method I'm going to be sharing with you today, if you can spend just 20 or 30 minutes with this, you can get this up and running pretty quickly. And if you've got a bit more time on your hands and maybe you're furloughed or you're currently at home because of what's going on in the world, then you can spend a lot more time on this and you can just speed up the entire process. But please make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll share exactly step by step how this method works. I'll share with you a couple of resources so you can actually get all of this up and running a lot quicker, and by the end of this video you'll have an actual plan and an outline for making money on YouTube without having to create these really complicated videos yourself. This is simple, it's easy, and it's available worldwide. So let's jump into it and I'll walk you through this entire process step by step. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So let's just jump straight into this. So let's jump over here onto this YouTube channel here. Now, as you can see, this is called Body Hub, 812,000 subscribers. Now, let's just click on here and I'll show you these videos. So you can see here, look at the length of each one of these videos, 3 minutes. And just take note of this here. It's just images with a little bit of overlay text. This one here, 3 minutes, exactly the same. 3 minutes, the same, etc, etc. You can see none of these videos are particularly long and they're all really simple to do. So let me just click on one. And you can see here, so you see this is it's running YouTube ads on this channel here. Now this is just one example where they're uploading these ridiculously simple videos and they've got YouTube ads on here and they're earning some money. But come over here, this is another channel. This is called Natural Cures, and if we scroll down here, look, notice the format. Short videos, video clip, overlay text. Same. And there's hundreds of these channels who are making some pretty decent money with this method. Now if we come over here, I'll very quickly show you this. So this here is a website called Social Blade, and basically you can come on here and you can snoop or have a nosy on other YouTube channels. You just put in the username up here, and if you scroll down here, it will give you some statistics about the channel. Now you can see here, these are estimated monthly earnings. So this channel here, this Natural Cures, is estimated to earn between £336, and bearing in mind I'm in the UK, so this is UK pricing, but it's £336 a month up to 5,400 a month. So let me just click on where. Now let me just scroll down a bit further, and you can see here it gives you a daily breakdown of roughly how many subscribers they've got, video views, and their estimated earnings. So you can see here it's estimated that this channel on the 27th of December earned between £12 and 192. But if I scroll back up here, so you can see it's estimating between this amount of money and this one here. So if you want to take a conservative figure with this, you could say this channel, just from YouTube AdSense alone, is earning probably about $3,000 a month. Let's go ahead and have a look at how much the other one is earning. This is called the Body Hub. So let's go ahead and put that over here and let's just type this in. Body Hub. Let's see how much this channel's roughly earning from Social Blade. Let's have a look and see what it says. Which one is it? It is this one here. So you can see they've uploaded 500 videos. Let's go ahead and have a little nosy at this channel here. So this channel here, look, a pretty similar story, between £180 and up to £3,000 a month, uploading these ridiculously simple videos. So let me just click on play.
$100,000 copying and pasting with just a few.
Sorry, let me just skip this guy here. Come on, hurry up. That's him gone. And I'm just going to mute this very quickly just so you can see the video. But look, this is the video, look. This is it. So do you think you could upload really simple videos like this? You absolutely can do, and I'm going to share with you the exact same software that not only is this channel here using, but many more are using, and it's incredibly cheap and it's really simple to do. So let me show you the software and how this all works, and then I'm also going to share with you another tip, because what I've noticed is this channel here and the one that we looked at in the second ago, the natural cures, none of them are making money with additional, revenue sources. They're only focusing, bizarrely, on YouTube AdSense, which is insane, to be honest. So let's go ahead and show you how they're making these videos. So if I come over here, this is the software that they're using to create these videos here. And you can see this is a point and click video maker. There's no experience required. And if we come further on the page here, you can see there's lots of cool features about this. It's got automatic captions in here. You get access to over 790,000 video clips. There's no video editing necessary. And look, Vidnami automatically combines your text, clips, voice track and music. It's genuinely so simple to use. It comes with music and lots more. And I'll share with you how not only you can trial this, but I'll also share with you how you can actually get this with 25% discount for life in a few minutes. So let me just go inside the software and show you just how simple and easy this is. So you can see this is inside of my account, and you see, look, I've got hundreds of videos in here. Look, if I could literally just keep scrolling. Well, let me just take this back up to the top. So this is inside the software. So you click on create a new video. On the left hand side here, you've got all of these different, these are templates basically. So you just start with any template. So let's just go with this one here, and we're going to click on use the template. So give it a name. So we'll just go with, YouTube example. Now you see here what it says, add your script. Basically, whatever you put into here, this software will create a video for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this here. Let me just see if they've got something in here, just so we can do this for the sake of the video. So let me just grab some of this text here. Now look, you wouldn't just go ahead and steal somebody else's content like this. There's a couple of different things you can do. So one thing you could do is you could go on, Google, DuckDuckGo, whatever basically, find blog articles about, your subject, and then basically you'd put that through something like an article spinner, or you just edit yourself. So if you're lazy and you want to, speed up the process, you just use websites like this one over here, this freearticlespinner.com. Whatever you paste in here on the left hand side, paste it in, and then once you're happy with that, you click on click on I'm not a robot, and you click on spin text, and it will give you all of this spun. So what that means is it's just going to change around the wording for you, so you just need to just double check it, but basically it will give you an output here. So complete new content. So if I click on spin text, so you can see on here, look, in reality, eggs have always been a staple. And then over here, in all actuality, eggs have consistently been a staple. So basically, it's spinning the words for you. So once you've got your text, and just go on Google and get a couple of blog articles and put them together. Once you've got them, you just come over here onto Vidnami. You just go into the software here and you add your script. So I'm going to click on paste. I'm going to come down here and just click on create scenes. And then watch how quick this works. And bearing in mind, at this moment in time, I'm recording my screen, and I've also got about 30 different tabs open. So it normally runs a bit quicker, but look at that. It's created the video for me. Scroll down, you can see it's all been done for us. Everything. It's pretty awesome. I think you'll agree just how quick this can create these videos for you. So if I go back up to the top here, so the video behind here, this has been inserted into the software for you, and it's basically, it grabs words here, so reality, eggs, etc, etc, and you can see over here, it's taken these keywords here, and then it's gone into the videos and the images within the library, and it's just brought in a video for you. So if you don't like this video here, for example, you could search for videos using keywords. You can click on any of these here, and it'll bring up thousands more. Like literally, you can go into any of these and you can just go through and click on any of these ones that you want to use. So you click on there, it goes over here. If you don't want to use videos, you can use images. So you just click on there, and then again you just click it and it will go over here. The text down here, if you don't like any part of this, so for example, if you didn't want it at the bottom, if you wanted it in the middle, you just click on here, click there, and look, it goes to the middle. Same at the top. Basically, you can move it around wherever you want. You can make parts bold, you can highlight this, so you see up here, you can make it bold if you want, you can make it italic, underline it, etc, etc. So you just go through and make sure that you're happy with the video. Once you're happy with this, scroll down to the bottom here. Now we're moving on to the next part. Now here, it's entirely up to you. You can have this with just music, so you can click on here, you see just music. You can do the auto voice, and you've got a few different options in here. So the ones on here are really good. The ones I go with is I use Jack in Australia, and I also use Harry in the United Kingdom, because they're both very good. You can record your own voice if you really wanted to. All you do is you click on record and read the line here. Or you can upload a voice track. So there's lots of options with this. But if you wanted to just go with, let's just say, no, you wanted just purely to have music on here, you click on there and you click on preview your video. And look, we're nearly at the bottom of this. And it doesn't, as you've seen here, it doesn't take long at all. Now at this moment in time, you've got a couple more things left to do, then your video is done. So over here on the left hand side, click on here, you can go and pick any of these different moods. So click on there. You can also go on genre and you can go through and have a look at all of these. And then to listen to any of the songs or the music, simply hover over it. And it just literally starts playing it for you. So you select one that you like. And by the way, all of these videos, they're all being licensed. The musics have all been licensed as well. So you've got no issues using these over on YouTube. And once you're happy with this, you see, click on looks good, continue. But let me just click on play so you can see this. So I think you'll agree, it looks pretty awesome, and it's literally, well, this whole video has probably took me, 2 minutes to do. So once you've done this, you click on looks good, continue, and then you just click on here, generate your video, and you download this, and you can see on here, it gives you this here that you can include within your YouTube description. So you just copy this, and you can put this into your YouTube description, and that's it done. So I think you'll agree, this software here, it's absolutely awesome, it's quick, it's simple, and I've shared with you 2 channels which are using this method. There's hundreds of channels in lots of different categories and niches who are using this software to make money purely because it's just so simple and easy to use. Now if we come up here, back into here, so how much will this software cost you? Well, there's a link down below, and I've actually got my own link. Using this link down below, you'll get 25% off Vidnami for life. So this will cost you $35 a month. So a little over $1 a day. If you're in the UK, it'll actually work out at 74 pence a day to get this software here. And not only do you get access to this software, this is everything that else is included in it. So you're getting 25% off this for life. That saves you $144 a year. You also get Storyblocks video clip library. So if you were to go online and check out Storyblocks, this here is completely separate to Vidnami. You'd actually be paying $468 a year to get access to their video library. But you get their video library included inside of Vidnami. There's over 790,000 video clips that you can use. You've also got 30,000 music tracks that you can use. And then you also get these additional bonuses. So you get the ultimate video traffic blueprint pack. And basically these templates are now responsible for over 7 billion views on YouTube. There's then, if you want to use this software to work with local clients, you can use this. It's a cheat sheet basically. You've also got lots of other cool stuff on here. This is a pretty decent resource, this Ultimate YouTube SEO cheat sheet. There's 22 proven tips and tricks to lock in rankings on YouTube. It's pretty good. So All of that for $35 a month. Yeah, I think it's pretty. It's awesome because normally you would be paying $47 a month for this. So you've seen how easy the software is to use. Do you think you could knock out a couple of videos in a day? 1, 2, you could knock out if you've got an hour a day and you sat down and you focus on this. I think you could knock out easily 3 or 4 of these videos every single day. And with YouTube, it's literally a numbers game. And I said to you also earlier on, what I noticed about these channels here is none of them are making money with affiliate marketing at all. So depending on the niche or the category that you go into, you'd then go ahead and find an affiliate product to start marketing and sharing, and you'd include that within your video description because you can find hundreds of affiliate marketing products. You can find them on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ShareASale, and many, many more. But look, overall, this method, it's simple, it's easy, and as you've seen, it works. There's currently people who are using this exact method to make money every single day on YouTube without being on camera, without spending a lot of time on this, and more importantly, without a lot of money. So look, I'll drop a link to this 25% off discount for life. I'll also include a link down below so that you can trial this piece of software for free for 2 weeks. But then at the end of the 2 weeks, you then would be paying the $47 a month. However, something I do know is once you sign up to this and you're coming up to the end of your 2 weeks, if you haven't taken action or purchased the software at $47, they then send out an additional, I think it's 2 emails whereby you can pick it up for $37 a month. So there's 2 options for you. You can get the 25% off Vidnami for life, or you can basically go ahead and trial it for 2 weeks and then wait for the email to come out whereby you get it a little bit cheaper. So yeah, that's today's video. Pretty simple stuff really. So if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.